Hi and welcome. Richard here again, and as you can see I'm on the 24-hour Commission Hustler sales page. Brand new traffic source pays him $316 every single day, and the crazy part is anyone can duplicate his formula in minutes. So as I say, this is a sales page. You've got a video here you can click and watch through. No SEO, no Facebook ads, no email list required. See some of the income there. I'm just going to scroll down here. I don't want to waste too much of your time going through it. There's the 24-hour Commission Hustler package. 30-day money-back guarantee. Always good to have a good guarantee. More proof of income. And here we have, I recognise 3 of these guys as being big online marketers. So if these guys are backing it and giving it the thumbs up, then you know you're in good hands. Let's just scroll down here. Works in 3 simple steps. More proof of income. More proof of income. $21,728. Let's scroll down here. Over the shoulder video training. Now, I don't know about you, but the number one way I always learn, better than any other way, is over the shoulder video training. I can read books and read books and read books, but the information goes in so much faster and it's so much clearer for me when I've got over the shoulder video training to watch. So that's a huge bonus for me. Yeah. Let's keep scrolling down. Real life case study. How Palab made $316 in 24 hours using nothing else but our secret traffic hack. Automate the process for you. More proof of income. Scrolling down. Reduced price at the moment. Let's go down here. As I say, 30-day money back guarantee. Grab your copy right now. So here we are with the bonuses. There's 8 bonuses in total if you grab this right now. So bonus number 1, as you can see, is a done for you newsletter series. Bonus number 2 is a viral article publishing software. Number 3 is how to create viral campaigns guide. Bonus number 4, outsourcing guide. Bonus number 5, viral marketing guide. Bonus number 6, viral traffic generation guide. You're getting a lot of bonuses here. Bonus number 7, targeted traffic simplified. And bonus number 8, Facebook mastermind access. So you get access to the Facebook mastermind group. And I'll tell you, some of these Facebook mastermind groups, they're absolutely fantastic. Great places, if there's something you're just not quite sure about or you just want to ask questions, these are the best places. Because the best thing about them, if you've got a problem or you just want to know something clarifying, you can get literally an answer back in seconds. Fantastic. So I'm scrolling down again. More proof of income. So we can see this thing really does work. The method really does work. More testimonials. And as I said, you get a 30-day 100% money back guarantee. So if this is something you'd like to try, as you can see, the income is fantastic. If this is something you'd like to try, on an evenings or maybe on the weekends, something to replace your current income with, or just to give you an additional income, then below this video you will see a button. Click that button. It's going to take you to this main sales page where you can just sit back and scroll through and read everything that I've just kind of scrolled by. So yeah, grab this right now. Just one other thing. I just want to show you this. Let's go down here at the bottom. So there's 2 versions of this. There's a standard and there's the most popular, which is the pro version. So just look at all this, and look at the price. $12.97. That's for the pro version. Access to the mastermind group alone must be way more than $12.97. So yeah, I mean, I don't know how long these prices are going to stay at this. Are going to stay this low, for they may go up. But yeah, I mean, if you click the button below this video, go to this sales page, and scroll right down to the bottom, you can add this to your cart right now for $12.97. So yeah, so that's all for me now. As I say, click the link, click the button below this video, and bye for now.